A lot of people think Temu free gift codes are fake. Honestly, I thought the same thing at first, because nothing happened when I tried it. But the truth is, the code isn't fake. Most people just don't activate it correctly. Before I explain, I put the working Temu free gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment. I've added a couple of backup codes there too, just in case. Here's what's actually going wrong. Most users open Temu and start scrolling right away. They look at deals, tap products, maybe even add items to their cart. But the free gift system doesn't start like that. It only activates when you enter through the correct page. Here's what to do instead. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This step matters. Without it, the free gift won't activate. When the page opens, you'll see a QR code. If you're on your phone, scan it. If you're on desktop, you'll see a manual code you can type in. After that, go back into the Temu app. You should now see a progress bar appear on your screen. That progress bar is confirmation that the free gift event is active. From here, Temu gives you a few small tasks: browsing categories, checking deals, or opening certain sections. Each task fills the bar little by little. Once it reaches 100%, the free item you chose gets unlocked and shipped. Yes, it's a real product. No referrals required, no hidden charges. That's why some people get free items and others think it's fake. If it didn't work for you before, try again using the code on screen. And if it finally unlocks, drop a comment and tell me what you got.